allow me to shed some light as to why selling digital products far exceeds the potential of selling physical products in the real world. The first and ultimate advantage of digital products is scale. Being able to not only reach a global audience, but to sell them exactly what they need is the most pivotal reason to start selling a digital product. You can go find any community across the internet, become interested in solving their problems, and create a product to do exactly that. With digital products, you can sell to thousands of customers around the globe without ever having to worry about shipping stuff around the world, buying more products and inventory from China, or trying to figure out your profit margins on these razor-thin, cheapo type products that most people go out there and try to sell. And plus, the work is the same whether you sell to one customer or 1,000 customers. You're never limited as to where you live or what community you can find yourself helping. Digital products are how you stop trading time for money and how you can truly make money while you sleep. That is scale. Advantage number 2 is inventory. Going back to our physical storefront example, where did all those products in the store come from? You ever thought about that? You walk into a store, all of those products had to come from somewhere. The store owner had to reach out to wholesalers, manufacturers, sales teams, and order a stack of inventory that you, the customer, have something to actually look at when you walk in the front door. And sitting on that inventory is an enormous risk. In most cases, you pay the inventory up front with your own money, and then you just pray that you're gonna be able to find customers that will buy all of it in your store. But with digital products, that is obviously not the case. Selling a PDF of your new book or access to that course library, your inventory is unlimited. It's simply copying a file and transferring it to your customers after they buy. There is no upfront inventory charges, no huge capital investments or warehouse costs, just a few megabytes of space on your hard drive, and you are selling. And finally, advantage number 3 is speed. Speed to market is everything. All the gatekeepers have been vaporized. It's just you and your ambition as to how fast you can go produce something for your people to buy. And if you do it right, you could have a product ready to sell to people online this weekend, which is the ultimate competitive advantage. You can field test new ideas in a heartbeat. Tap into any community, offer up a new product or quick digital service to see if it clicks with them. And if it doesn't, you can tweak it and ship it again and try later. Again, there is a near zero cost to creating your first digital product. You can literally get paid for an idea before it even exists. We call that a pre-sale. So you know instantly how popular your idea is before ever needing to actually take the time to go make it.